I look Amish. What have I done? Holy shit. I guess I can grow it back. Well, this is me with no beard. It's always weird seeing yourself after you've had a beard for such a long time, whether it's a short beard or a longer beard. But gotta get used to it. On the upside, you can always grow a beard back. There's my beard in ball form. Now, one thing to remember after a shave like that is some aftershave moisturizer. This is a moisturizer, but also soothes shaving. I didn't do a proper shave, it was just a trim, but there's still some irritation. And you're meant to moisturize after showering anyway. And it just feels fresh. Anyway guys, that is the shaving video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please don't be offended if you like beards. It will come back, I will grow it back, but I do like being clean shaven from time to time. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.